Hello guys, in this video I will show how to play only audio from a video file VLC media player on Windows. So open VLC media player. Now here click on Tools, Preferences, select here Video. Uncheck this option Enable Video. Now click on Save. Now close it. Reopen any video with VLC media player. Now open any video. So as we can see, only audio is running without video screen. So this is the way guys you can play only audio from a video in VLC media player on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.